Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Now if you're new to this channel and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, then hi, I'm Samudrika. I make videos on makeup, skincare, haul videos, and I do vlogging sometimes. And if you like this video, enjoy watching this face, then please do take a moment to subscribe to this channel and turn on that post notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now if you're new here, then you must be having no idea about what is going on. Let me introduce you to this thing. So I'm currently doing a series for 7 days wherein I'm going to share my top 3 skincare products from each skincare category for 7 long days. I have already made 5 videos in the past, so this is my 6th one wherein I'm going to show you my top 3 favorite moisturizers. And if you have missed all the 5 videos, then I'll link it down below. Go check those out and do not miss the first video because I have explained in details about the series and also about also for whom these videos are going to be helpful and who should avoid this. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the video. So guys, I just wanted to be very transparent with you. So serum wala and moisturizer wala video मैंने same day पे ही shoot किया है. You can see that my outfit is same. I could have changed my top and sat in front of you and I could have said that, oh, I am shooting it in a different day, but no, let me be very transparent with you guys. It's just that I'm a bit busy tomorrow, so that's why I'm shooting it today itself. Okay, so let's just start with the video. The first moisturizer which I'm gonna suggest is the Simple Sensitive Skin Experts Kind to Skin Hydrating Moisturizer. Now this is such a great product, guys. Moisturizers are usually moisturizers usually have a thick consistency, but this is very light and it is kind to skin, just like the Simple face wash that is also kind to skin and seriously kind to skin. This is also kind to skin and it has 12-hour moisturization, no artificial perfume, no color, no harsh chemicals, these and that, non-tested on animals. It is 125 ml of product, which is quite a lot, and it suits every skin type. When you see some products saying that great for sensitive skin, that means it will suit all skin types. And it retails for, the price is not mentioned here, but definitely it is below 1000. I'll just mention the price somewhere here on the screen and I'll just show you the consistency right here. So this is the product. Just see how light and watery it is. It just got absorbed. No stickiness at all, guys. No stickiness at all. Can you see? It has no artificial smell, to be very honest. Like, it has no smell, like no smell at all, which is a great thing. And it is enriched with pro vitamin B5, vitamin E, glycerin, and borage seed oil. How to use: apply morning and or evening on face and neck, avoid into your eyes, and blah blah blah. Dermatologically tested and everything, which I already said. So it has vitamin E. Vitamin E is again very good for your skin. Now if you're somebody who has acne prone skin like me, you should definitely give this a try, but I don't take the I'm not sure if it would suit everyone or not. It suits me, so I'm suggesting it to you. If it's not suiting you, then there must be something wrong you're doing with your skincare. But before using any product, do a patch test and see if you're allergic to that product, because the product must be good, but you can be allergic to that product because some of the other ingredients might not suit your skin. So you should definitely give a patch test before trying a product. So yeah, this is my first pick. It is the kindest ever moisturizer and I recommended it to you first because I truly love it and I use it every single day. So the second product which I have for you guys is this one from Wow. This is the Wow Skin Science Apple Cider Vinegar Oil Free Face Moisturizer. Now this is an oil free moisturizer, oil-free moisturizers are so great for acne-prone skin, for sensitive skins. You do not want to feel oily on your skin, but you want to moisturize your skin as well. If it is so, then you should definitely give this a try. Even the first one which I showed the simple one. So this is organic certified Himalayan apple cider vinegar, hyaluronic acid, beetroot extract, no parabens, silicone, mineral oil, color. Recommended for oily and sensitive skin, help prevent oiliness and hydrate skin. It is a 100 ml product. Now it says that it it is for sensitive skin and oily skin, but dry skin ones can also use it because it won't dry out your skin. It has hyaluronic acid, so it actually hydrates your skin. When I started using it, I did not have a very oily skin. I had dryness over my cheeks and oiliness only over this area. So while I was using it, I felt quite nice and good because I had pimples in this areas. So I was using it and I did not face any issues regarding that. And all the ingredients and everything is mentioned at the back of the tube. You can read it, and it retails for 349 rupees, which means 350 rupees, जो कि हमको हमेशा ऑफ में मिल जाता है. वाओ में ऑफ रहता ही रहता है, हमेशा रहता है गाइज. सो या फॉर 100 ml प्रोडक्ट यू आर गेटिंग इट फॉर 350 rupees. I mean, I say I'm paying 300 rupees, so which is a great deal guys. I'll just show you the consistency once here. Okay, so just use this much. This is again very light. See, not at all thick, not at all sticky. I'll use it here again. See, it got mixed. It has a little amount of smell, but that is an apple smell, which is very soothing and very nice. I love its smell. And again, if you want you should definitely go for a patch test before trying any product, because it is suiting me, but it is not necessary that it will suit you as well. Your skin might be allergic to some of the other ingredients which it has, so it doesn't make the product bad. But yeah, सबके स्किन डिफरेंट होते हैं. सो आप लोग प्लीज़ पैच टेस्ट किया कीजिए बिफोर यूजिंग एनी प्रोडक्ट, एंड ऑल्सो यूज अ प्रोडक्ट फॉर एटलीस्ट अ मंथ टू सी द रिजल्ट्स. एंड मॉइस्चराइजर से कोई ऐसा वैसा रिजल्ट नहीं मिलता है, बस आपकी स्किन को वो हाइड्रेट रखता है. मॉइस्चराइजेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप ऑफ स्किन केयर. सो या, दिस वॉज माई सेकेंड recommendation. The third product which I want to show is slightly on the pricier side. So this is the Dot and Key Vitamin C Glow Mask. Now it is a glow mask and is a glow sleep mask, overnight radiance recovery. It is also moisturizer. It is mainly for nighttime use. Do not use it in the daytime. So it is a 60 ml product and it retails for 1095. I know I have crossed the 1000 bar a bit, 1095, but हमेशा आपको एटलीस्ट 10% ऑफ मिल ही जाएगा. कभी मैंने ऐसा नहीं देखा कि डॉट एंड की में मतलब ये एकदम कोई भी ऑफ नहीं चल रहा है. लाइक आप इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेल, ये सेल, वो मेजर सेल्स को छोड़ के हमेशा ब्रांड्स में कोई ना कोई ऑफर चलता रहता है. सो यू विल गेट एट अ मच चीपर रेट देन 1000 के कम में ही यही मिल जाएगा आपको. सो इसके टब में इतना ज़्यादा कुछ लिखा नहीं है, और मैंने जो इसका बॉक्स है मैंने वो फेंक दिया है. आई हैव यूज्ड इट एंड आई सो लव इट. वाइटामिन सी इज समथिंग विच शुड बी देयर इन योर स्किन केयर. आप सीरम नहीं यूज़ कर सकते हो, लेकिन अगर नहीं यूज़ कर सकते हो देन आपको ये यूज़ करना ही चाहिए. ये जो है ग्लो मास्क, ये आपको सिर्फ रात में ही यूज़ करना है, दिन में नहीं यूज़ करना है. So this is how the product looks like. I have used a lot of it, as you can see. It smells really nice, soothing smell है इसका. ये जेल बेस्ड है. It has a very mild, soothing, flowery smell. आई लव इट. मतलब आप जब इसको ऐसे सूंघोगे ना, आपको कोई स्मेल नहीं आएगा, लेकिन अब जब आप इसको लगाओगे तब आपको एक माइल्ड सूदिंग स्मेल आएगा, एंड विच इज़ वेरी नाइस. आप इसको रात को लगा के सो जाओ, सुबह उठ के आपको एक अच्छा ग्लोइंग सपल स्किन मिल जाएगा. आई रियली लाइक दिस प्रोडक्ट. like it did not show results while I was using it for like 1-2 weeks, but like in the third or fourth week, I don't remember, my skin was glowing. Like, yeah, I just I did not use any other product for making my skin glow, but this one is something which I used and it actually did wonders. Like my skin started glowing, my skin as in only these two areas started glowing after using this, and I so loved the results. मतलब पूरे स्किन में मुझे, पूरे फेस में मुझे ग्लो नहीं चाहिए, बट व्हेन यू स्माइल these areas should glow, right? So that is what I wanted and it did wonders actually. And you need to be very careful about the product because it is a full glass tub. It has a very luxurious finish. बहुत ही अच्छा इसका packaging है. हाँ, that is it. That is my third recommendation for you. I know it is a bit on the pricier side, but you can invest this much on your skin, guys. This is what I use and that is why I'm recommending this to you. Do a patch test before you use because vitamin C सबके स्किन में ठीक से नहीं बैठ सकता है. So patch test कर लेना. So guys, that's it about this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching all my 3 recommendations of moisturizers. If you like this video, hit on that like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on that post notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and do wait for my last video of the series, which will be on sunscreen. Yes, top 3 sunscreen which I use, and I would recommend it to you guys on my next video. Bye.